computing. Cloud networking, or cloud-based networking, is when some or all of an organization's networking resources are hosted in the cloud. This may refer to either public or private cloud. It is based on cloud computing, which is the centralization of computing resources that are shared between users. Data centers are the core physical and network infrastructure of the cloud. These are composed of networked computers and storage that are used to organize, process, store, and disseminate large amounts of data. They are referred to as cloud-enabled data centers. A cloud-enabled data center provides a pay-as-you-use model, which can be used to measure and charge individual line of businesses for their IT usage. A cloud-enabled data center promotes standardization of components, which are made available through the service catalog and the description of the service itself. This unit discusses cloud-enabled data centers, their classification, the environment they operate in, and the major issues related to networking in a cloud environment. The classification of cloud-enabled data centers based on the deployment model can be classified as public cloud, which is more familiar because most people use it on a daily basis. Private cloud, which is a service that is deployed over an internal network, and the hybrid cloud, as the name implies, combines some of the features of both public and private clouds. Based on the service the cloud model is offering, we can classify them as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Cloud computing is used for enabling global access to mutual pools of resources, such as services, applications, data, servers, and computer networks. A clear example of a cloud computing service is one that most of us are familiar with: Netflix. Netflix streams data across the internet to a player application on the viewing device, rather than sending customers DVDs or Blu-ray physical discs. Because cloud technology depends on the allocation of resources to attain consistency and economy of scale, similar to utility, it is also fairly cost-effective, making it the choice for many small business and firms. But there are also many challenges involved in cloud computing, and if you are not prepared to deal with them, you won't realize the benefits. Some of the major issues related to networking in a cloud environment that you would think of would presumably be cost of setting up the system, service provider reliability, as this can be very vital to connectivity, password security, data privacy, and downtime. As the name suggests, it is the time during which a system is not functioning properly or is unavailable to the users for other reasons. Special focus will be placed on the TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, which is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the Internet. Related performance issues, such as speed and the new protocols that have been devised specially for the CEDCs.